night, we stopped by Dave & Buster's on the way back from Tombstone. We were there for what, 45 minutes? I liked it. It's, you know, a couple different games that we don't have at the St. Louis location. And then we're heading to our hotel, and it's supposed to be, you know, what's it called again?
It's Embassy Suites.
Contactless check-in. So we checked the app to see if our room was ready. Your room was ready, but we can't get your virtual key card to work, so you're gonna have to come to the front desk. It's like, oh, that defeats the whole purpose. So
hopefully we got the room I picked.
yeah, he's hoping it doesn't mean that we didn't get the right room. I told him, I said my sister's had this problem traveling too, so it's just new technology that they haven't perfected yet. But it means we're gonna have to wait in line and get a room key. All right, we're at Embassy Suites. Oh, thought it was a lot bigger online, but that's fine. It's just 2 levels.
Free beers after 5.
Oh.
But I was buying
Let me-
beer.
We are at El Charro Cafe. It's a very nice Mexican restaurant. We actually saw this on Delicious Destinations last week, and it was only 6 minutes from our hotel, so I'm quite excited. It has a famous like meat dish that we're both gonna try, but Robert ordered it. And yeah, it's pretty cool. This is a prickly pear margarita, and then I got the tamarinda margarita. Look at that. Doesn't that look good? We're gonna do a quick taste test. I don't know. It's good. I can't really describe it because this is spicy, very lime. I don't know. It's really good.
What's it taste like?
I can't describe it. It's different.
It tastes like nuts.
It does not taste like nuts. It tastes good. I can't describe it. It tastes really good though. What do you think?
Mine is much better than yours, I think.
Okay. I'm gonna try his prickly pear.
Yours is good.
Mine's good. His is good. They're both really good. I like the color of yours. It's a very nice color. All right, mine is the Helpas Rancheros, which is basically a fried egg on a tortilla. And then Robert got, I'll write down below what it's called. I forgot already. But see that meat? They sun dry it. And they're the only ones allowed to sun dry it the way that they sun dry it in the area because of health standards. They got grandfathered in, and it's very famous. And I didn't realize my dish was going to be so big. And they also gave me some refried beans. And this salsa is the best salsa I've ever had. So good. All right, we could not resist fried ice cream. I will have to say that dinner was awesome. Like, seriously, the best Mexican food dishes I've ever had. All right, we're in our hotel room. After that wonderful dinner, we came back. It was, like I said, it was like 5 to 10 minutes from our hotel. And I think it's 9 o'clock here now, which is 10 o'clock home time. We've been up since 3, so I'm definitely going to go to bed. The trade show doesn't start until 10 tomorrow, 10 a.m., so that's good. We can sleep in a little bit. And we fly home on Wednesday, and everyone under the sun is telling me that St. Louis is supposed to get a snowstorm, and it's supposed to be really bad. I can't help it. There's nothing I can do. I hope I get home without any delays, but this trip's been booked for a while. And the thing with St. Louis weather is it constantly changes. So as soon as we change our flight, everything's going to be fine. And there's really no good time to change our flight. So we're just going to risk it. Hopefully everything's fine, but I'm just like telling my family, quit stressing me out. There's nothing I can do. I want to focus on this trade show. And I just can't obsess about the weather because every time I do, it changes. So, and then I have my travel journal I bring with me. I'm just filling out today's info. And yeah, it's been a good day. I really liked it. I really like Arizona. Robert, he's just tired from driving. He's a trooper. He drives. I don't. And you enjoyed so far today?
It was a good day.
It's a good day.
It was a good day.
Tombstone was a lot better than we expected because a lot of reviews, people aren't impressed. It's a tourist trap, blah, blah, blah. Like, that's a bad thing. That's not a bad thing in my book. And so we ended up spending a lot more time there than we expected because it was really cool. And I'd go back to Tombstone. Like, hopefully they have this trade show here in Tucson every year. And hopefully it works out. And if it does, we'll come back next year. We'll go back to Tombstone. So, if you're in the area, I think it's worth going to Tombstone. And I think we just fit too much in. We went to Tombstone, we went to Dave & Buster's, we went to Walmart, we went to In-N-Out, we went to that wonderful restaurant. I'm just tired. So anyway, thanks for watching and we will see you later.